Whoo, boy, yo, been waiting for this. All right, the FedEx truck literally just dropped this off. It's a day late, first of all. So FedEx, we got a little bit of beef, man. But as you see, we have the package, man. One of the most anticipated devices of the year. The hype train is crazy. It's crazy hype. And I know y'all already done seen plenty of unboxings of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, but this is mine because I'm hype, man. Y'all who rock with me come to see me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's not waste no time, man. I don't have the best camera angle to show you the whole presentation, but I'm pretty sure if you've seen it, Google always they're killing it with the presentations. All right, so there it is, man. Google Pixel 6 Pro. They got the time. They got 72 degrees. That's about right in the area, man. That's almost 72 degrees, right on time. So let's put that here, and then it says open here, and then boom, there it is, Google Pixel 6. As you see, we do have the 6 Pro in that Sorta Sunny. I'm not sure what that color is. So you have that color. And personally, I kind of wanted the black or the white, but I'm not complaining. All right, I am not complaining, man. I'm pretty sure this is all going to be exciting. Ooh, yeah, I'm hyped, man. I'm excited. I really am excited for this phone, man. If there's one thing that I love, you know I love my iPhones, but on the same accord, you know I do love my Pixels and I love stock Android experience. The only phone that has truly come close to me kind of using for a good while was the Pixel 5. Just didn't give me that flagshipy enough quality, but here we go. I hope that all changes, man. So first up, we do have the Google 6 Pro case. Now, you already know we doing our own thing when it comes to cases, but I'll check it out. We're not here for that right now. Y'all didn't come to see no Google 6 Pro case. Y'all came to see the Google 6 Pro here. So it is called the Sorta Sunny. There it is, Sorta Sunny colorway, where it kind of has like the peach and the yellow type of apparatus there. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Let's not waste no time. I'm curious to see how this thing feels in hand. I'm curious to see how the premium feel of it is. I'm just curious about it all. And at first I wasn't crazy about this color, and I'm trying to see if I'm still crazy about it. I mean, it's cool. This is the least desirable color in my opinion, but it's still a very beautiful phone. And you guys know me. I mean, a case is probably going to be on it, all right? But I thought about rocking a clear case to show off that color. But let's just go ahead and get into it, man. There it is. There is the back of that Pixel 6 Pro, aka that Cyclops or whatever character that you want to call it. That's what we have right there on the back. Definitely something that stands out. You know it's that as soon as you see it. It's not going to look like any other phone out there on the market unless Android phones start to copy them when it comes to this look. But flipping it over, let's go ahead and get that peel. Let's, I don't know how y'all want to do this. Super quiet and satisfying. And you are greeted with that huge, what is this, 6.7, 6.8 inch screen, man. This is giving me Note 20 Ultra vibes all the way. All right. When I'm holding it right here, literally Note 20 Ultra. That's the first thing that pops off. I almost want to push this and pull the S Pen out of here, but that is the first thing that comes to my mind when I am thinking about this right here. Now, once again, we got those all new cameras. Cannot wait to test them out. I cannot wait to put it up against, you already know, the iPhone. Everybody wants to compare and everybody wants to contrast, but we do have to put it up against the iPhone. I'm thinking that was a sticker, so here I am yanking it, about to mess something up, but we got to just go ahead and compare it. So that's that. Let's go ahead and put that here to the side. You already know when it comes to the box, we're not getting much. We don't have to talk about it. You get the adapter, we get your Type-C cord, and we get some little Google documentation there. Not really much to see. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. Let's bring that case over here, but let's just go ahead and take a look, man. You have those bezels. I really wish they gave us a different color power button, but Google said, yo, this is premium. We don't got time for those colorful stuff these days. We're going to hit you with straight premium material, man. Flipping over that bottom, you see you get that Type-C. But this thing feels very good in the hand. So let's go ahead and pop it on real quick, turn it on, and let's see what we have there. And we'll go through the setup. And of course, y'all already know, like I said, it's embargo time. So you know we can't talk a lot about this until the 25th of Monday, Monday the 25th of October. Then we can talk about whatever we want to. But for right now, we really can't go that much in depth. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing to let you know that the Pixel 6 Pro is in-house. Tons and tons of video. Y'all already know we getting a bunch of videos about this, especially when it comes to the case reviews. You already know that a lot of companies don't like to make cases about the Pixel, but yeah, so there it is, man. Welcome to your Pixel. This thing right here, as this ball is bouncing, it is giving me a subtle haptic feedback that feels amazing. All right, so the old iPhone 12, no, not iPhone 12, the old iPhone 13 Pro might have to go on the back burner for a little while. We got to give all the attention to this Pixel, man, because we got to see what this thing is about. 120 hertz, man, quad HD screen, just huge battery. Hopefully these cameras just live up to the hype of everything that we think they are. Man, overjoyed with excitement right here when it comes to this Pixel. So one thing you know we got to go ahead and do is talk about this case. All right, let's see. From the case snob himself, let's see what this case is all about. All right, let's just pop it on. And this is a this is like a hard translucent. Okay, Google, I see you. Not no super flimsy trash that a lot of stuff usually comes with. But when you pop it on, this is surprisingly a very good case. Yo, Google, let me find out you just have the best case that a manufacturer makes besides Apple, besides Samsung. I don't know, OnePlus kind of got you on that Sandstone. They got you with that, but this case feels really good. I'm surprised that this case is honestly that good. So that's amazing, man. That really feels good. I probably didn't change the language, but nice feeling case, man. Nice feeling case. But we don't want to see the case. All right. We don't want to see that case. We're looking at this. We're looking at the phone in all this beautiful glory. But yep, there it is, man. Kinda sunny Pixel 6 Pro. Woo, I'm hyped. I am excited for this phone, man. I'm not sure if it's coming across camera, but I just wanted to get this quick unboxing. I gotta do some extra work stuff coming up here in a few, but I said as soon as I get this, I'm literally sitting down on the desk and I'm cutting the camera on and I'm recording. All right. But one freaky thing that we do have to test real quick is MagSafe. Yes, I know some of you were saying, T, why in the world are you talking about MagSafe? They said that you can charge this thing through MagSafe, and just look at that. Yes, you can. There is a magnet somewhere back here, and when you put it on a charger, it is charging via MagSafe. Insane. So I don't have to move my MagSafe chargers. But yo, I'm about to get on out of here, man. Google Pixel 6 Pro is in the house. My main SIM card is about to go in here immediately. And as soon as the embargo is over, you guys will start seeing videos from me. You already know, tons of just talking about it. Just get into strong commentary about it as a regular person who uses their phone. How would you like it? They hyped it up. The tech world hyped it up. We're going to see what it's about. But anyway, I'm about to get up out of here, man. Y'all already know. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you're picking up a Google 6 or a 6 Pro. And also hit the subscribe button. I'm excited. I can't even get my words out. Hit the subscribe button. Turn that bell on so you come back and get these good videos. Anyway, your boy Today T. I'm out. Y'all be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.